Welcome back to Drainage Update as we prepare for Phase 2. So Phase 2 will start on the 29th of July. Both contractors will come back for 3 weeks. We are due to start on the 3rd and the 5th. So it will mean that there will be 3 holes closed Monday to Friday. But the positive to that is that we can have the back 9 as qualifying. So we'll still have 9 holes qualifying throughout that period. When the drainage contractors come back on site, we will be addressing the settlement of some of the existing drainage lines. As you would have seen at the top of the 9th, some of the drainage channels have already started to drop. In terms of timescale of how long it takes for them to complete their settling, it does depend on weather conditions. So we have got material to the side of each drainage channel that we can push back in. But over the coming weeks, we will start to redress, and once they have been redressed, we will start to reseed. So hopefully we'll start to get some growth as we move into the autumn. With the drainage contractors coming back on site on the 29th, we've also got the path contractor coming on the 29th. The idea of the path network is to create a route between greens, tees and fairways that will keep, hopefully, dry throughout the winter. So though we haven't drained these areas, we have pretty much drained up to them, where we will then put a path in, which will run down the side of all the tees and up to the fairways, again, where we have drained. The idea is that this will create a route around the whole golf course where we would love to think there'll be trolleys 11 months of the year. In addition to the path network on par 4s and 5s that go from the green to the tee boxes back out to the fairway, we will also be pathing every par 3 from tee box to green to the next tee. So again, creating a route around the golf course as best we can. Over the next week or so, you'll see a lot more heavy machinery moving around the golf course as we start to prepare for Phase 2. Please follow the diversion signs, they are there for your safety. As a reminder, week 3 of Phase 2 of the drainage project will also be greens maintenance week. So that starts on Monday the 12th of August. Although it's highly likely that there'll be 3 holes closed for that week, it also will be temporary greens. I will keep you updated.